J&K gears up for elections for the Assembly. National Conference leader Omar Abdullah, who's been a former Chief Minister as well, gave out a statement on Afzal Guru. This, remember, was with regard to the execution for 2001 Parliament terror attack convict Afzal Guru, and that it served no purpose. The execution served no purpose, he said, and that the erstwhile government would not have approved of the hanging. That is what led to a slugfest. Let's listen in now to what specifically did Omar Abdullah said and what has the BJP or government at the centre got to say about it.
The battleground in Kashmir is heating up, and so is the political slugfest. On Friday, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah ignited a big controversy. The National Conference leader claimed that the execution of the 2001 Parliament attacked convict Afzal Guru served no real purpose. Abdullah further added, had it been up to the erstwhile J&K government, they would not have approved Guru's hanging.
See, my unfortunate thing was that the J&K government had nothing to do with Afzal Guru's execution. Otherwise, you would have had to do it with the permission of the state government, which I can tell you in no uncertain terms would not have been forthcoming.
Why?
It wouldn't have. We wouldn't have done it. I don't believe that any purpose was served by executing him.
Omar Abdullah justified his remarks by stating he is opposed to the idea of capital punishment. He also expressed doubt about court judgments.
I don't believe in the infallibility of the system of the courts. And evidence has shown us time and time again that may not be in India, but in places where you have executed people and then found that you were wrong.
This has led to a big political storm. The Bharatiya Janata Party is now accusing Omar of appeasement politics.
श्री उमर अब्दुल्ला साहब, डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब इस बात को समझते हैं, भली भांति उनको इस बात का पता चल चुका है कि जम्मू कश्मीर में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बन रही है, इसलिए वो कभी जेल से कैदियों को छोड़ने की बात करते हैं, आतंकवादियों को छोड़ने की बात करते हैं। उनको मालूम है कि उनकी सियासी जमीन खिसक चुकी है और वो इस प्रकार का प्रोपेगेंडा कर रहे हैं।
Home Minister Amit Shah also launched a scathing attack at the National Conference for speaking about dialogues with Pakistan and with terrorists.
कश्मीर में ऐसी सरकारें थी जो आतंकवाद के सामने आंख मूंद कर बैठी। ऐसे लोग भी है जो शांति होती थी तो यहाँ आकर मुख्यमंत्री बन जाते थे, और आतंकवाद होता था तो दिल्ली में जाकर कॉफी बार में कॉफी पीते थे। आप जानते हो ना? जानते हो या नहीं जानते हो कौन है?
National Conference ally, the Congress Party has chosen to distance itself from Omar Abdullah's remarks.
ओमर अब्दुल्ला जी की टिप्पणी पर मैं क्यों कुछ जवाब दूं? क्या अमित शाह जी चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी की हर टिप्पणी पे जवाब देते हैं, या नीतीश कुमार जी की हर टिप्पणी पे जवाब देते हैं? देते हैं तो मैं उनसे कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा अमित शाह जी से। मुस्लिम आरक्षण पे चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी ने कुछ कहा है, उस पर वो जवाब दें, मंगवाएं जवाब उनसे, अमित शाह से।
Afzal Guru, who was convicted for plotting the December 13, 2001 attack on the Indian Parliament, was hanged at Delhi's Tihar jail in 2013. Bureau Report, India Today.